Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a AutoCAD tutorial series in English, and in this lesson, in our lesson 5, I will discuss about polygon and circle C. So here the for polygon, POL is the short form of its command, and C is command for circle. So I'll show you here that how we'll use that two parameters. So let's start. And if you're new here, you can watch the previous video. Already I have uploaded, the link is given in description. So for our work, at first I will open our AutoCAD software, and from here for draw, at first I will show you about polygons. Suppose for that, at first I will draw a circle. Suppose here is a circle for 40 diameter. Okay, that is a circle. And after that, I will draw here a polygon here. So I'll press POL, then enter. So now it's showing here. If you see in comment box, polygon, enter the number of side, how much polygon side you required. Suppose I need 5 side, then press enter. So after that, from which point you want to, at where you want to give its center point. Suppose I want to give center point at its circle center point. Now we'll click here, and after that it's showing here inscribed or circumscribed, in circle or about circle. So first of all, we'll select that. If we select that, then you are seeing that it will make the polygon in that way, inside the circle. And again, if I use that circle, and again if I go POL, and I need 5 point, especially with the center of the polygon. So here is the center, and after that it's again showing us inscribed in circle or circumscribed in about circle. So we'll select that, and after that we are seeing that here. Sorry, I will close our ortho mode. So from here, if I give it here, so you're seeing that now our polygon is outside of the circle. In that way we can draw our polygon according to our requirement. So I think it's clear that how to use our polygon. And from here also, if you click here, this option are available here. Here you can also draw your polygon by clicking that point, or you can use your command POL. Now I'll show you about circle, how to use our circle properly. So for circle, first of all we'll press C, then enter. Now it's showing center point for the circle, or 3P, 2P, TTR 1010 radius, TTR 1010 radius. So what is the meaning of that? I will show you in later. So first of all, if I want to draw a normal circle, then we'll click here and we'll move our mouse and we'll give the radius. Suppose 50, then okay. Here is the 50 radius circle and 100 diameter circle. Now again, if we use C, enter here, and for circle, if we click here, center point, and here it's showing, first of all it's showing especially the radius of the circle. So we'll provide here the radius. But if it show that if we have to provide the diameter, then we'll click here diameter, then it's showing, it's telling us specify the diameter of the circle. So if we give the diameter of circle 100, enter. So this is the diameter of circle, and we can see it from clicking here. Sorry, linear. So from here we can see that radius. If we click here, it's very short, I mean it's very small. I have increased that size, so here it's showing our 40, and if we see the diameter, click here, and here is the diameter of the circle, it's also 100. So in that way we can draw our circle. Now they have some special case of circle drawing. If we click here, then we're seeing that first two we have used, center then radius, center then diameter. First of all are center then radius, and second one is center then diameter. But now if we use that two option, 2 point, what is that? Suppose we have a line here, I will use ortho mode. Here is a line. Again I will draw a line here. Here is a line. Here is two line, and I need to draw a circle from it will touch here and also here. I mean it will make a tangent here and for here. For that I will use here 2p, and I can use that also with command. How? Enter C, enter, then here 3p, 2p. So we'll use first of all 2p, then it is showing specify the end point of the circle. So first of all we'll specify the first point. From anywhere you can do that. Suppose I'll give that point, and again it's showing specify second end point, so I'll give that in second end point. So this is the second end point. Like that we can draw the circle. So here you are seeing that the circle are here. Now suppose we have line, you're seeing that it's not moving. So when in this case you have to press RE, enter, then you can move that easily. I mean regenerating, by using regenerating you can move that. So enter C, first of all we'll draw this line, and after that I'll draw a line here, and after that I'll draw a line here. Here is a 3 line. Now we'll draw a circle that will touch both 3. For that we have to go here 3p, or we can use command C, then enter, and from here 3p, specify first point on circle. So this is the, suppose this is the first point, specify the second point, this is the second point, and specify the third point. Suppose this is the third point of the suppose this is the third point of the circle. So you are seeing that this is the here is the circle touching with 3 point. Okay, if I show you that in another way, first of all I'll draw a polygon. It's 3 side, enter, then okay. So if I go here again now 3p, so this is our first point, this is our another point, and this is our third point. So you are seeing that we can draw circle in that way. Now they have more two option here, 10 radius and 10. We can draw that. So for that, for draw that, suppose if I delete that. If I show you here, suppose they have two circle, and we'll draw a circle that will touch that two circle with a fixed radius. I mean, we'll found two tangent with that two circle with a fixed radius. So let's start how to do that. For that, we'll go here tangent radius, we'll click that. Otherwise, press escape, press C, here tangent radius, then it's showing specify the first object of the first tangent. So we'll select that is as first object, and again it's showing specify the point on object for the second tangent. This is the point for second tangent, and now it's showing specify the radius of the circle. How will be the radius of the circle? So we need suppose radius about 25. Enter here. You are seeing that here is a circle with 25 radius. Now I am to show you something that, suppose first of all I will measure its length. From that point to that point it's 61. So delete that, and if I draw that command again, tangent radius, suppose it is the first object, this is the second object. Now it's showing give the radius. Now here that both distance are 61. Suppose now I am giving here radius 25, then enter. But you are seeing that in this time they have no circle. Why? Because we have provided a radius 25, that means its diameter will be 50, but here total distance are 61, so its diameter are less than that distance. That's why it's not creating a circle. So again if I go here tangent radius, select first point, select then second point, and give here 26. Sorry, we have to do it with a circle. Here if we come here tangent radius, now especially the first point, this is the first point and this is for second point, and we have to provide a specific radius. Suppose we will provide radius 5. Enter. It's not creating any circle. Now again if we go here tangent radius, this is the first point, this is the second point, and we'll give here radius suppose 30. Here it's creating the circle. In this way we can draw our circle with two tangent. Now they have another option, tangent radius, that means 10 3 tangent. For that it's showing specify the center point of the circle, or click here, then it's showing specify first point on the circle. So this is the first point, specify the second point, this is the second point, specify the third point, this is the third point. So here is the circle. Again if we want to draw a circle here, click here tangent, then click here, click here, click here. So here is the circle. Again if you want to draw a circle, press enter, click here, here and here. Again we can draw circle here as like you record here, here and here. So I think it's clear to you that how we'll use circle and polygon. So thank you. Thank you very much. Stay connected till next video. I will come with a new video, I think so. Thank you.